Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Over 50. Yes guys, I know. I've been out of the picture for a while. But guys, yeah, I got really sick. I don't want to say it, over YouTube, but you guys already know. Yeah, I got really sick with that thing that's going around. And yes, I don't wish that on my worst enemy. I tell you that now. But my body was strong enough to beat it, and I am feeling a lot better now. Um, wow, that was a journey for me. But guys, I am back today doing a DIY. I'm making DIY lanterns. I already did one that is sitting right here that I want to show you guys before I start on my other one. Basically, I will be making the same one here, but just a little bigger because I want it to go outside on my patio. So I will probably be making two of these, the bigger size lanterns. I do have a push light in here with the light shining on it. You won't be able to see it, but yes, I do have a push light in here. And this is basically how it look. I stained it with early American stain, and I made these out of the Jenga blocks and the choppy mats from the Dollar Tree. So basically this cost me $2 to make because I already had my glue sticks at home. So hey, very cheap, and I am loving the way it came out. So this is my smaller one, and let me show you my bigger one that I am making. This is the first panel that I made. This is how big it's going to be, pretty much so. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see it fully. Yes, these are made with the bigger Jenga blocks, where you can get these from Five Below if you have one near you, or you can find them at your craft store. So yes, these are the bigger Jenga blocks. So yes, and I stained this with the early American stain. I am really liking this stain for wood. I have three different favorite stains, but I'm really liking this one. So I'm going to set this panel to the side and show you guys how I, you know, made this. First thing I'm going to go in with is the early American stain right here. And you can get this at your craft store or at a Lowe's. And make sure you shake it up, guys, real good before you open it. Yes, guys, yes, I was out of commission for a while, for a long while. I've never been gone this long from YouTube. So, yeah, you guys know I do DIYs here and there, and I'm going to probably be doing a couple of DIYs for you guys. And then start back, doing my makeup videos here and there. So I'm just going to open this thing like this. Let me get my gloves on because I already got it on my hand. So how everybody been doing out there? I'm glad everybody is safe. Stay safe, guys. I don't wish that on my worst enemy. Do not just stay safe. I know everything done opened back up, but it was weird. My neighbor had caught it, and she gave it to the rest of the building that I'm staying in, and she didn't tell no one she had it. So yes, my goodness, I never want to go through that's an experience. I never want to experience that again. So right now, guys, I'm taking out some baby wipes, opening these up, because right now I'm getting ready to set that one right there. Stain my wood, real quick and show you guys how I do that. Um, the Jenga blocks that I'm using is this big. Well, let me move that. They're this size, basically, compared to the smaller Jenga blocks. These are the smaller ones. These are the larger ones. So yes, I made my smaller lantern out of the small ones, and I'm making the larger one out of the bigger ones here. So yes, I already glued these together. These are the well, I call them little panels. I already stained these right here with the early American, and I have a few more to stain. So just show you guys how I'm going to do this real quick. I like to use a baby wipe when I do this. This is very, very therapeutic for me. I just put the stain on and just wipe it on like so. Yes. So how have you guys been doing out there? I hope, like I said, stay safe. Hope everybody is doing well. I've never been gone this long from YouTube. I mean, yes. I miss all you guys very much. You know, I had to wait until that cough, that lingering cough go away. You know, it was like every 10-15 minutes I'm coughing like crazy. So there's one block already stained. I am loving that color there. So I just like set these to the side when I get done. To stain, when I'm staining a whole lot of them, I just take 3 of them, go over them like so. Hope you guys can see. Try to get in the cracks. Really good here. And that's about it. So I'm going to finish staining up these. And when I come back, I'm going to show you guys how I glue these blocks together. And yes. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, now that I done stained my pieces and put my other ones back there to dry, we're going to start gluing another panel together. What I am using right here is wood glue from your local Dollar Tree. This is some very good wood glue, guys. This is actually better than Gorilla Glue. I think so. So, yes, I'm going to take these. Try to keep this mat clean because I know glue is going to get all over this mat. So what we're going to do is take one of these columns. I call them columns or long boards, which I glued 3 of them together. And I'm going to stand it up like this. You guys can see what I'm doing. And I already stained these blocks in advance. So basically I am just going to take some wood glue. This is wood glue. And just glue it right on here. I try to be generous with my wood glue myself. And I just take it and set it right there on the ends like so. All I have to do is just glue this panel together. The last panel I might do with hot glue. I'm not sure yet, but I would rather do it with the wood glue because it adheres better to the wood. And when you using hot glue with these, it tends to leave a gap in between the when you're gluing them down. So I prefer to do the hot glue. I mean the wood glue. Just take the excess, wipe it off. It will dry clear, and then you can clean the glue up. So I takes the next one here, and I hot glue each 4 sides on that, and I set it right on top of that, like so. You guys can see what I'm doing. Make sure you got, guys, one thing, if you do make these lanterns, you have to make sure they're even, very, very even, so when you do put these together, you won't be off. You know, you might be a little tiny bit off, but not much. Make sure these sides here are very, very, very even. And this is our first stack, you know, layer, basically. So I just basically press this down really, really tight. You see the excess glue. You can see the excess glue showing. You just take your finger and wipe it right off, like so. Sometime, yeah, they will move until they set up. It don't take them no time to set up. Maybe 5 minutes to adhere to the wood. Set up on the wood, guys. So yeah, I like doing this kind of stuff because basically it's kind of therapeutic for me when I am at home relaxing. I do like to do DIYs. It's very, very therapeutic for me. So this is what keeps my stress level down, and I love it. So I'm going to go on in again with some more of that wood glue. Just putting it right on there, sticking that right there. Hearing that, and another piece, and then we're just going to do this until we have the whole panel built, and let them dry. We take the other panel, another stick. We have just 2 of those this time. Put some glue just on 2 sides, and we build that up like that. And we keep on repeating the same method until we have 5 of these on there. You can take a baby wipe also and wipe the glue right off. It comes right off, guys. Like I said, it takes about 5 minutes to adhere, but best results is let it dry for 24 hours, basically. So I just like to press down on them quite a bit, and there you have it. So now the next one, I'm going to do 4 blocks, put another one of these sticks on there, and keep building until the panel is complete. And then I'm going to lay it down, let them dry. I'm going to probably do all 3 of them, let them dry. Once they dry, I will come back and I will show you guys the next step. Stay tuned.